So ako po sumasang-ayon ako kay Secretary Chodoro. Sino man po yung responsable sa pag-wiretap or sa pag-record po nitong conversation na to, kung nangyari man po, no, they should be expelled or deported from our country. Or not, they should answer to our laws. Dahil bawal po yung ginawa nila. And so again, we leave it up to the DFA and to our to the DFA to how to proceed, no. Ito pong investigation na ito.
Gaya ng mga kasama ko, I support Secretary Gibo Chidoro doon sa pananaw niya na mali yung ginawa ng wiretapping. We really should hold those people who did that accountable. Hindi pwede na porke galing sila sa mas malalaking bansa na tatapakan na lang nila yung mga batas natin. So they should be held accountable.